This video will demonstrate the enhancements as it relates to reimbursement. To begin, you will need to go to the Fiscal module. In the next screen, you will see how to create a reimbursement document. A few updates that will be shared throughout this video include new visuals, new fields, label updates, as well as some validations that are now in place. To create your fiscal document, you can go to New Fiscal Document. And on this screen, you will select the different fields. In this case, the document type is reimbursement. You are now ready to create a document. As you can see in the screen, there are a few new visuals and enhancements. We are going to start by going through salary accounts. There are two enhancements as it relates to salary accounts. In salary accounts, you can now filter by column, and you will also see the green and red arrows. These arrows are new visuals to compare and show you what was submitted as compared to your previous reimbursement. As you can see, not much has changed on how you enter this information. Now that you add payment information, you will notice that it states transaction number. Transaction number was previously check number. This field has been updated to reflect transactions, including checks and electronic payments. You will continue adding payroll check information, but you will now notice two new fields, start date and end date. In the past, this information was included within the reference description. It is now its own field and will need to be included when payroll check information is included in the reimbursement. Here, you will notice in the red text box that the system is letting you know that information was entered for an item. However, there's payment reference information missing. This is now a validation in the system to ensure that all the needed information is included. The system will prompt you so that you can go back and make any edits prior to submission. We will now move into expense accounts. As you are entering your expense accounts, you will once again see that instead of seeing check number, you now see transaction number. A new field is also the notes section. In the past, when needing to add a description to what the expense is, that information was included in the vendor name. It is now included as a separate section in the notes. Notes are not always needed. However, in the event that you do, this will be the section that you will now add that information to describe the expense. As you can see here, you can move to different pages. You can now save payments or go back to summary, and it will take you to the summary screen. Up in the top, there are a number of sections that you could access information through. In the past, you would only see notes. That label is now called Notes and Activity. Additionally, a new enhancement is related fiscal documents. When you click on that, you will be taken to all the fiscal documents related to this program. Once you're ready to move your reimbursement, depending on your role, you will see up in the top the different actions. In this case, this one can be forwarded. This now ends the video for enhancements as it relates to reimbursements. Thank you.